So ladies, welcome, and I want to give a big welcome to Melissa. Thank you so much for coming along as our guest speaker.
Thank you
for
having
our
me.
next event. Now Melissa is, her background and what we're going to be extracting at that meetup is going to be about your reno side of your business and your life in property, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
And so you've had a few years of doing that, and you've started, when did you actually start?
It would be 2017.
2017, you've advanced quite a lot since then. But there's something that's significant about how you started, and I remember you telling me you gained knowledge. Now, what did you gain in terms of knowledge? What did you seek, and how did that help you going forward?
Absolutely. Well, I first really became aware that I needed to find knowledge or mentors that could help me. I knew that I wanted something different in life, but I wasn't exactly sure how to get there. So the knowledge gave me confidence. It gave me so much confidence to actually make a start, really, and to think about 5 years ago. If I think back now, if I hadn't had the knowledge,
Or the
I don't
people
like
around
to
you.
think where I'd be. But the knowledge allowed me to learn without making big mistakes as well. Sure, you make mistakes along the way, and that's part of learning and growing. But I think the confidence, and with that confidence allows you to apply the knowledge. And once you apply the knowledge, you get capability. And so goes the circle. More knowledge, have people around you, discussing things with other people has helped me learn as well.
Awesome. So
confidence.
at this event coming up, you're going to talk about some of that and how you gained it, what mentors you had around you, what sort of education you put around you, and then we're going to advance into one of the projects you've done, right?
Yes.
So it's going to be exciting to actually walk through that project and actually learn some of the numbers, some of the pitfalls, some of the mistakes, some of the things you could have done better. We don't call them mistakes, they're just steps forward that help you learn a lot, right?
Learning opportunities.
So that's going to be exciting. So thank you very much for that. And yeah, we'll get another video done soon, ladies, and come back to you, and hopefully you started to book in. Cheers for now. Thanks, Melissa.
Thank you.